shaking, team? You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Just back. Just wanted to hit y'all with my prep work for my GTR fiberglass hood. Just wanted to get everything in order. Definitely need some hood pins. Hood pins are highly recommended. If you have a carbon fiber or fiberglass hood, any type of aftermarket hood, you are going to need hood pins. Highly, strongly recommended. Need those. So I have my flush mount hood pins. I took the other packaging off. You see I got my tape measurer and my regular painter's tape. Wipe the hood down a little bit just to clean off where I was going to be mapping it out. So I measured out exactly where I wanted it. And then now let me pop the hood so that looks right just about as well too. Don't you let's see. Alright team, so it's looking like everything gonna line up. If we looking at where the mark is up here and we come under here, I'm probably gonna have to cut this portion in out right here, and that'll give me more than enough space to get the flush mount hood pin in and then drill the holes around to secure it. So just want to keep y'all in with the prep work, just eyeing everything out, eyeballing it, you know, from here about right there. That looks about right. So we'll get back to it in the morning, but just wanted to prep it up before I went to work and have it in order so I can come back, make my cuts. Once we make the cuts, that's the easy part. The hard part now is lining everything up right in here so it could fit. I wanted to try and use one of these holes, but I'm like F-bomb it. I might just go straight for the support so I know it's good. But once I get the flush mount hood pin in, that'll show me exactly where my spot is gonna be on the radiator support. Let's go. Pivot, we got action. There we go. Booyah. So we get in there. Let's go. Now just to clean this up so we can get our flush mount in there, settle it right. Let's go. We got fitment coming along, grinded it out till it was nice and even for the most part. I could fit it. Now just to line it up evenly like so, because you see it has a little give, a little play. So just to make sure it's exactly where I want it, and we should be good, team. But I like that. I like the look. I like the feel of it. Yeah, I like that. All right, team, so going in on the bottom right now. Just want to try and get that, so now we can get that on the bottom so we can screw that in on the top. So that looked like good placement to where that's at. So let's get it popping. Let's switch the blade and finish cutting this shit down. Alright, so you'll see, cut it righteously. Might have to cut just a little bit more so I could reach over here, but for the most part we good though. We good. More than enough to get here. I gotta shave down a little bit just to make that nice. I don't cut myself for nothing, but yeah, we in there, team. Alright, team, you see I was killing it until Mother Nature told me to chill out. It's starting to rain right now, so you already see I got one hood pin, flush mount hood pin in. Now, oh yeah, baby. Just to get it lined up now so we can get the actual pin in. I got the flush mount, now I just need the actual pin and we good. Let's go. I'm like tired as hell. Been out here all afternoon. Just lining everything up, getting everything as close to even as possible. Yeah, team, you know what I mean? Everything's Gucci, everything's in. Pop it open. See? Hood pin. Booyah. So, perfecto. Y'all already know, team. It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button. We in here, team. Y'all already know.